moms, welcome back to Milk Moments USA. Today I'm opening up about something incredibly personal my first week of breastfeeding. It was beautiful, but also frustrating, painful, confusing, and emotional. So if you're a new mom or about to be one, here's everything I wish I knew before that first latch. Stick around, this might just save you a few tears and sleepless nights. Section 1. IT's not always natural, and that's okay. Let's start with the biggest myth I believed. Breastfeeding is supposed to be natural and easy. Reality check. It's natural. Yes, but not always easy. I thought my baby would instinctively know what to do, and I just hold her and boom, magical latch. Nope. It took trial, error, guidance, and patience. I wish someone told me it's okay to struggle. You're not failing. You're learning. Both of you are. Section 2. The pain nitrogen monoxide one talks about. Let's talk nipple pain. Day 2 hit like a truck. My nipples were cracked, sore, and even bleeding a little. I panicked. Was I doing something wrong? Turns out, improper latch was the culprit. I wish I knew to look for these signs of a good latch. Baby's mouth wide. Open lips, flanged out, chin touching the breast, no clicking sound. See, also wish I had lanolin cream and gel pads on standby. Total lifesavers. Section 3. Cluster feeding is real and exhausting. Nobody warned me about cluster feeding. On day 3, my baby wanted to nurse every 30 to 60 minutes. I was sleep deprived, emotional, and overwhelmed. What I didn't know is that cluster feeding helps increase your milk supply, especially during growth spurts. It's normal, it's temporary, and no, you're not doing anything wrong. Keep snacks, water, and a cozy blanket nearby. You'll be there a while. Section 4. Milk comes in a few days later. In those first couple of days, I kept wondering, is my baby getting enough milk? That's because colostrum, the early milk, comes in small amounts, and the real milk arrives around day 3 to 5. I didn't know that. So I worried a lot. Here's what I wish I knew. Baby's tummy is tiny like a marble. Frequent nursing is normal. Fewer wet diapers in the first 2 days is okay by day 5. Things regulate. Section 5. Ask for help early. This one's big. Don't wait to ask for help. I waited until I was in tears. A lactation consultant changed everything for me. She showed me positioning tricks, corrected the latch, and gave me confidence. Also, talked to other moms. The support made me feel human again. Section 6. Your emotions will be everywhere between the pain, the hormones, and the pressure to do it right. I cried a lot, and I wish I had known that baby blues are real and breastfeeding can stir up intense emotions. Be kind to yourself. Rest, breathe. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. You're doing something powerful. Section 7. What actually helped me survive? Here's my mini survival kit I wish I had from day 1. Water bottle with a straw, hydrate like crazy, nipple balm, breastfeeding pillow, burp cloths everywhere. Comfortable nursing bras, a streaming playlist or podcast, because you'll be glued to that spot. That first week was hard, but looking back, it was also magical. The bond we built, the strength I discovered, I wouldn't trade it for anything. I just wish I'd known it was okay to not have it all figured out. If you're in your first week now, you are not alone. Leave a comment and tell me how it's going. Let's support each other. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Milk Moments USA for more real breastfeeding stories, tips, and support. You got this, mama.